Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode we are going to see few more questions of 1 mark questions. This is the part 4, and previously we have uploaded 3 parts, and the links of all these 3 parts are given in the description box below. You can watch all these 3 parts so that you will get an idea that which type of questions will be asked as 1 mark questions and how to deal with such questions. I also request you to download the study material from the description box. And now friends, see the first question of the today's episode. The question is that if tan A plus cot A is equal to 5, find the value of tan square A plus cot square A. Here what is given? It is given that tan A plus cot A, that is equal to 5, and you have to find the value of tan square A plus cot square A. Since you want tan square A plus cot square A, take the square of both the sides. So you will get it as tan A plus cot A bracket square, which is equal to 25. 5 square will be 25. Now this is A plus B bracket square. So apply the formula A square plus B square plus 2AB. So you will get it as tan square A plus cot square A, that is A square plus B square plus twice of AB, that is tan A into cot A, which is equal to 25. Now here tan and cot are the reciprocals of each other, and the product of the reciprocals is always 1. So this tan A into cot A will be 1, and you will get it as tan square A plus cot square A plus 2. This will be 2 plus 1. 2 into 1, that is 2, which is equal to 25. And therefore tan A, take 2 to other side, and you will get tan square A plus cot square A, which is equal to 25 minus 2, that is 23. And here we have got the value of tan square A plus cot square A, that is equal to 23. Now let us see the next question. If 1 is a root of the equation ay square plus ay plus 3 is equal to 0 and y square plus y plus b is equal to 0, then find the value of AB. Find the value of AB, it means you have to find the product of AB. So here you will first take this equation ay square plus ay plus 3, that is equal to 0, and since 1 is a root of this equation, it should be satisfied by this equation, and therefore we will put the value of y as 1. So a into 1 square plus a into 1, we are putting the value of y as 1 because y is a root of this equation, so plus 3, which is equal to 0. So this will be a plus a, that will be 2a plus 3, which is equal to 0. And take 3 to this side, so you will get a is equal to minus 3, and therefore a is equal to minus 3 by 2. Here you have got the value of a is equal to minus 3 by 2. Highlight this first answer. Now take the another equation, that is y square plus y plus b, which is equal to 0. Now since 1 is a root of this equation, put the value of 1, y is equal to 1 because it should be satisfied by this equation, because 1 is a root of this equation. So 1 square will be 1 plus b, that is equal to 0, and 1 plus 1 will be 2. If you take 2 to other side, then you will get b is equal to minus 2. Now here you have got the value of B as -2 and A as -3/2, and therefore the product AB that is equal to what? -3/2 multiplied by -2. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and you will get AB that is equal to -3 into -1, that is +3. So AB is equal to 3. Now let us move to the next question. In the figure, sides AB, BC and CA of a triangle ABC touch a circle at P, Q and R respectively. PA is equal to 4 cm, BP is equal to 3 cm and AC is equal to 11 cm. Find the length of BC in centimeter. Now friends, here it is given that AB touches the circle at point P, AC that touches the circle at point R, and BC touches the circle at Q. And therefore AP and AR are the tangents drawn from the exterior point, and the tangents drawn from the exterior point are always equal. So we can write that AP is equal to AR. AP is equal to AR. But it is given that AP is equal to 4 cm, and therefore AR will also be 4 cm. So which is equal to 4 cm. Now here BP and BQ, correct? BP and BQ are the tangents drawn from the exterior point. Therefore BQ is equal to BP is equal to BQ. BP is equal to BQ, and which is equal to, but BP is what? It is 3 cm, and therefore this will be also 3 cm. So which is equal to 3 cm. But now here it is given that AC is 11 cm. This total distance is 11 cm, and therefore this RC will be what? 11 minus 4. Therefore RC is equal to what? AC minus AR. AC minus AR. And so which is equal to AC is 11 minus AR is 4, and therefore it will be 7 cm. So you have got this RC at 7 cm. And since CR and CQ are the tangents drawn from the exterior point, therefore CR is equal to CQ. But CR is equal to CQ. Reason that you have to write that the tangents drawn from the exterior point to the circle are equal, and therefore CR is equal to CQ, which is equal to 7 cm. And this will be also 7 cm. So here BC we have to find the BC length. So BC will be equal to what? BQ plus QC. Therefore BC is equal to BQ plus QC, and so which is equal to 3 plus 7, and that is equal to 10 cm. And so we have got the total length BC as 10 cm. Now move to the next question. If the area of circle is equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles of diameter 10 cm and 24 cm, calculate the diameter of the larger circle in centimeter. Friends, here it is given that the area of a circle, let the area of the circle be A1 equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. Let the other two circles area be A2 and A3. Then it is given that the area of the circle 1 is equal to the sum of the areas of the other two circles, and whose diameters, their diameters are 10 cm and 24 cm, that is given, and we have to calculate the diameter of this larger circle. So let the radius R1 be the radius of the smaller circle. since diameter is 10 centimeter, this radius will be 5 centimeter, and R2 be the radius of this second circle whose diameter is 24 centimeter and therefore radius will be 12 centimeter. And let the radius of this circle A1 whose area is A1, which is equal to capital R. Then we can say that the area of this circle, correct, that is pi R square, is equal to area of this circle plus area of this circle, that is pi R1 square plus pi R2 square. Here pi will be the common factor, pi R square, which is equal to pi will be the common factor, so pi inside the bracket it will be R1 square plus this should be R2 square. And so this pi and pi will get cancelled and it will be R square is equal to R1 square plus R2 square. So R square is equal to, it will be R1 square, R1 is what, 5, its square will be 25 plus R2 square, R2 is 12 and so its square will be 144, which is equal to 25 plus 145, that will be 169, and now taking square root of both the sides you will get R is equal to 13 centimeter, and therefore you have got the radius of the circle that is equal to 13 centimeter. Now since here you have to find the diameter, so diameter is double that of the radius and therefore diameter is equal to 26 centimeter. And so friends, here we have got the diameter of the circle that is equal to 26 centimeter. Now move to the next question. Here it is given that if sin A is equal to cos B is equal to 1/2, find the value of tan A plus B. Here we have been supplied with the information that sin A that is equal to 1/2. But we know that sin 30 is 1/2 and therefore A is equal to 30 degrees. So A is 30 degrees because we know that sin 30 is 1/2. Then it is given that cos B is equal to 1/2 cos of B that is equal to 1/2, and therefore cos of B, that is, if cos B is 60 degrees, then cos 60 will be 1/2 and therefore B is equal to 60 degrees. And now what we have to find? We have to find tan A plus B. So tan of A plus B, that is equal to tan of 30 plus 60, that is tan of 90, and tan 90 is not defined. Tan 90 is not defined and therefore tan A plus B, that is equal to not defined. Move to the next question. Here find the distance of the point -3, 4 from the x-axis. There is a point whose coordinates are -3 and 4 and you have to find the distance of this point from the x-axis. Let this be the point A whose coordinates are -3 and 4 and you have to find the distance of this point A from x-axis. Let that point be B where you have to find the distance of this point A. So B, its coordinate will be what? Of course this distance will be -3 because this distance is -3 and therefore x coordinate will be -3, and since the point is on x-axis, the y coordinate will be 0 because the y coordinate of all the points lying on the x-axis will be always 0. Similarly, the x coordinate of all the points lying on the y coordinate will be always 0, and therefore here we have to find the distance AB by the distance formula, and therefore AB, that is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square, and so which is equal to square root of x2 minus x1, that is minus 3, minus 3, that will be plus 3. So it will be minus 3 plus 3 bracket square plus y2 minus y1, that is 4 minus 0 bracket square. And so which is equal to square root of this will be what? Minus 3 plus 3, that will be 0. So this will be 0, and 4 minus 0 will be 4, and its square will be 16. And therefore square root of 16 will be 4 units. And therefore AB distance, that is equal to 4 units. Highlight this. The circumference of a circle is 22 centimeter. Then calculate the area of the quadrant. Now we know that the quadrant is a 1/4 of the area of the circle. Quadrant is 1/4 of the area of the circle, and therefore we can find the area of a quadrant, that is equal to 1/4 pi r square. This is the area of the circle. So it will be 1/4 pi r square. So we will require r, and that radius is not given. Since the radius is not given, we will have to find the radius. To find the radius, we have been supplied with the additional information that circumference is equal to 22 centimeters. So with the help of this, we can find the radius. So circumference, that is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. This circumference is given as 22 centimeters, which is equal to 2 into pi, that is 22 by 7, into r, that we have to find. So 22 and 22 will get cancelled, and therefore r is equal to 7 by 2. So we have got the radius. Highlight immediately, because this is the first important step that you have got. Because whenever the examiner checks your answer sheet, he first checks these important steps. With what is your radius? Radius is 7 by 2. It is tallied with his answer, then it is okay. Then he moves further. So here you have to highlight that points which are very important. So r is equal to 7 by 2. Now we have to find the area. So area is equal to 1/4. Area is equal to 1/4 into pi, that is 22 by 7, into r square, that is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So this 7 and 7 will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are 22. Then it will be 11 7s are 77, which is equal to 77 upon 4 2s are 8. And since it is a area, it will be 77 by 8 square centimeter. Don't forget to write the unit, because unit has half mark. If you do not write the unit, your half marks will be deducted, and therefore area of the quadrant, that is equal to 77 by 8 square centimeter. Highlight this answer also. Now move to the next question. Find the common difference of the AP 1 upon P, comma 1 minus P upon P, comma 1 minus 2P upon P, comma, and so on. We have to find the common difference, and that common difference is denoted by D. So D is equal to what? Second term minus first term. So second term is 1 minus P upon P minus first term, that is 1 upon P. So which is equal to, P is the common denominator. So the numerator will be as it is, 1 minus P minus 1. So 1 minus 1 will be 0, and it will be minus P upon P. So P and P cancel. So which is equal to minus 1. So here the common difference is equal to minus 1. Highlight your answer. Now friends, here we will stop, and I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.